Okay, 1.3 is called naming planes. So we're going through all these different kinds of objects that we're going to have that we have to know how to give them a name and what to call them. A plane is a flat two-dimensional surface. When naming a plane, you must use any 3 points that are not collinear. This collinear word is something new. So think of there's the word line in there. Co means goes with. So collinear means they fall on the same line. So you have to give any 3 points that are not collinear, which in all of these examples, and I think what I saw in Delta Math, you never run into that problem. Okay, so let's say we have number 1. This would be called a rectangular prism. They want us to give this bottom plane a name. There's no certain symbol that goes for a plane, so you have to write out the word plane. Make sure it's not P-L-A-I-N, it's P-L-A-N-E. So write out plane, and then you just pick any 3 letters that are on that plane. So I could call this plane I-L-K. I'm not going to keep writing out plane, but you get the gist. Plane I-J-K. Plane K-J-L. It can be any order. They don't have to go one after the other. You can go in any order. It can be I, K, L. But for instance, if you were to have a point right here, let's call it A, you could not say plane I, A, J. Those 3 points make a straight line. They're on the same line, so they would be collinear. And then that wouldn't describe a plane. That would just describe a line to me. Okay. Number 2, you can pause and try to do. You would write out plane and then pick any 3 letters. So you'd pick O-R-K, N-K-O, R-K-N. Okay, so just give me 3 or 4 options. All right, number 3, I just wanted you to see this. This is like if you have a rectangular prism, like a deck of cards or a Kleenex box, and you were to slice it diagonally. So you're slicing from this corner down to this corner. So a plane can be created inside an object. It's any 2-dimensional flat, like anywhere a piece of paper could lie. So we're slicing this diagonally, and you're going to see that show up in your Delta Math. So again, you would just pick any 3 letters that are diagonal. Options look like S, R, L, and M. So any 3 letters of those. So plain SRL, MLR, MLS. Yeah, that's all to it. So planes, any 3 points that don't fall on the same line.